The human mind is a marvel of nature, the source of our thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. Yet it remains one of the greatest mysteries in science.
Today, we're on the brink of unlocking some of its secrets. Imagine a universe contained within your skull. It's a cosmos of neural connections, chemical reactions, and electrical impulses. These elements combine to create your unique perception of reality. They shape your memories, guide your decisions, and define your personality.
And recent advances in technology have opened new windows into the mind. Brain imaging techniques like fMRI allow us to see the brain in action. We can now observe which areas light up during different activities. This has led to groundbreaking discoveries about how we think and feel. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the mind, we're paving the way for a future where we can harness the full potential of our most powerful organ. At the heart of the mind's mystery lies the brain, a 3-pound organ with 86 billion neurons. These neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals, forming networks that control every aspect of our being.
The brain is divided into several regions, each with specific functions. The cerebral cortex handles higher-order thinking, sensory processing, decision-making, and memory formation. The brain truly is a biological marvel, constantly reshaping itself in response to our experiences.
Our brain is constantly bombarded with sensory information from our eyes, ears, skin, nose, and tongue. But how does the brain make sense of all this data?
Let's take vision as an example. When light enters our eyes, it's converted into electrical signals that travel to the visual cortex. Different neurons process aspects like edges, contours, color, and movement. The brain then combines these elements to create a coherent picture of the world.
Perception is more than just passive reception of sensory data. The brain actively interprets this information based on past experiences and expectations. This is why optical illusions can trick us and why eyewitness testimony can be unreliable.
The brain's information processing involves higher-order cognitive functions like attention, memory, and decision-making. These processes happen so quickly and effortlessly that we're often unaware of the complex computations occurring in our heads.
The mind's interplay between conscious and unconscious processes is fascinating.
Consciousness is our awareness of thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Much of our mental activity is unconscious.
Conscious thought is like the tip of an iceberg. Beneath, our unconscious mind processes vast information. The relationship between conscious and unconscious processing is dynamic. This underlies phenomena like implicit bias. Understanding this dual nature is key to unraveling the mind's mysteries. The study of the mind is a multidisciplinary endeavor, bringing together insights from biology, psychology, and philosophy. Each field offers a unique perspective on the nature of the mind and consciousness.
The biological perspective focuses on the physical structures and processes of the brain. Neuroscientists study how neurons communicate and form networks, leading to discoveries about brain plasticity and neurotransmitters.
Psychology examines mental processes and behaviors, studying phenomena like perception, memory, and decision-making. This field has given us valuable insights into how we think, feel, and interact with others.
Philosophy explores fundamental questions about consciousness, subjective experience, and free will. Philosophers use logical analysis and thought experiments to tackle these issues.
Together, these disciplines provide a more complete picture of the mind. They challenge our assumptions and guide scientific research. Understanding the mind requires a holistic approach. By integrating these perspectives, we can better grasp the complexities of our most powerful organ.